Hi, welcome to another new video, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can add Google Console to your Wix website. So as you can see, we already in our admin panel, and here we are getting some option. So in this option you can see get found on Google. It will be shown when you are not created your website perfectly, like you don't create your website totally, but if you completely create your full website, now it is totally complete. So you need to visit on search, and you need to be search here get found on Google, and they will give you some suggestion. But in here we did not complete our setup, our website setup, so we have the option in here. So it is really simple right now for us. So we need to be click on this get started button. Once we click over here, they will redirect us in this new page. Here they are telling us to click the get started option. Just click over here and they will ask your business name or the brand name. It might be some kind of example, like let me give you an example that will be Home Garden Limited, Daniel Photography, also kind of your name, like what is your brand name. Just post here my brand name is Ray-Ban. So this is my brand name, and I will click on next. Once I click over here, they will give me further option. What does this business serve its customer? Like it can be a local business, it can be a global business. So I will give a right check in here, second option. Then I will click next again, and here they are telling us to give some keywords. Like keywords mean I can say that the name or some words, like I am going to sell some watch, so I will type here watch. Then I can say smartphone. This can be another keyword. Then I will click on next, and now our SEO checklist has been completed here. And here you can see we can check our SEO performance, and we have all the options here. You can see we have some green option, we have some red option, so we need to be work on our red option. And now if you want to connect your Google Search Console, here the main thing you need to be click on here, connect to this site.google search console. Once you click over here, they will give you the option to connect. Now first of all, you need to be visit on Google Search Console. You can find out this link in our description. So you need to be create an account before connect your Google Console. So you need to be an account, just create an account, then index your website. You can click over here start now. Once you click over here, they will give you the option, just copy the link and paste it. This is really simple process, and it will be take around 10 to 15 minutes to connect your search console. So you can also click here learn why it's important. Then you will find a full overview about search console, how you will add this. And if you watch this video till the end, then you also already understand how you can add your Google Console to your Wix website. I hope so. So you need to be click on connect now. Once you click over here, they will ask some checklist. Just click here, and then you can see before you connect your site to Google, check mark each item one by one. So you need to be work on first option, set the home page title, like they already give us some option. Then apply and publish. So you can choose whatever you think would be good for you. Then you can change your important thing here, get the smartphone. So I hope this video will be helpful for you, and you already understand and get knowledge about this search console. I think this will be helpful for you. So if you have any question related to this video, you are invited to ask me in the comment box, and don't forget to hit the like button if you found out this video is helpful for you, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for new video.